Yes. So if this is the rain and the wiper is wiping like this, definitely you don't drive 60. Okay. So I was telling her yesterday. So if you wipe, it is on one, right? See how much rain is happening? You cannot see anything.
Yeah.
You have to increase it, right? And this guy is going. This guy just turned right? So if somebody turning, do not go close by. Keep a safe distance. Take your signal off. I'm gonna help you, okay? Continue. How are you doing? You like it, right? The rain can be harder than this.
I have to stay home, man.
Okay, you're gonna get the light. You're gonna get the light. Slow
okay,
down.
Sorry.
Slow.
They said I'm getting the green light. I was like, yeah.
Okay. So, see, before the bridge,
Yeah.
I looked there on the left side.
Yeah. Sorry, I was too focused on the rain.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's how I told you the light is changing,
Yeah.
right? So, because the weather is bad and people, if they don't know how to handle it,
Yeah.
it will be severe situation.
Uh-huh.
So that's why we nicely want to stop, because if the speed is so high, you're gonna skid.
Yeah. Yeah, like especially right there, there's a lot of water gonna be under the bridge.
Yes, especially happens for you if you're on the highway and there's puddle of water, car will skid because the speed is 100 or more. It happened to me because puddle of water was there and car moved to the other side. So be very careful when you're driving through the corner.